Hello, good morning, everyone. Hold on. I want to see. All right. I just got back from dropping off my little ones. We are having a blizzard here. Not a blizzard really, but freezing rain and snow. And on my way back, I had a tow truck. I had trash truck. I had, hold on 2 seconds there. All sorts of stuff on my way back to slow me down and traffic going slower. So there we go. Let me just get some nice music. Let's see. What was I playing? Good morning, good morning. Let me get the chat up over here. So bear with me a second. There we go. All right, okay. Let me go down here. Let's just copy this. All right, okay. There we go. All right. Good morning. Good morning. How are you all doing this morning? So once a month I do my morning watch list stream live so you guys can see what I do. It takes roughly 45 minutes and I will walk you through how I get it set up. So if you have friends that you think might want to join, I'm going to share it on Twitter if it's going to let me. Over here, sorry, working on the other computer. There we go, shared on Twitter. And let me get the chat. That's yesterday's. Here we go, and here we go. All right, and good morning, Terry. I forgot the chat works at the bottom. It felt like spring yesterday. We had 40 to 50 degree weather, and now we have a snowstorm. I'm ready for spring. Ready for spring break. Terry, where are you? Are you affected at all by the trains or the spills? I know we have some people in Arizona. All right, so let's change it over. All right, so you can see I have my watch list here, my template, I have it set up, and looks like we're going to have a bigger day today. Let's come over here, and I get a really cool tool that I am absolutely loving now. Yeah, let's go here. All right, so let me build the limits. I do this every day. Terry, you know this, right? I do my limits of, hey, if the market were to crash, what's the halt limit for the day? And so we got that here. I am learning all about Streamlabs and trying to figure out the integration of the streaming music that is license free. So bear with me on that one. Let's go here, watch list. Yeah, there we go. You haven't been affected? Good. All right, bear with me. I'll leave that up for a second while I clean up my folder. done and done. I really want some license free. Here we go. We'll play this one. Ha ha ha. Helps, you know, when you turn on the volume. Here we go. All right. So we got that. Let's clear this up. If we have something that's less than 20 million, I do give it a little caution on the list so that you know, hey, this is one that's likely going to move faster. And so pay attention to that. Risk tolerance. Good morning, Brenda. Where's everybody tuning in from? Don't be shy. I promise I won't bite you through the computer, right? Okay. So we've got that all set up. Let's go to fear and greed. What's going on in the fear and greed scale? Many times this is an inverse indicator. So let's hang that there. 69 today. Pulled back a little bit from yesterday. We were hanging at 73. So that is our fear and greed indicator. As Warren Buffett says, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Let's go here, look at Forex Factory. What announcements do we have today? Friday, 8:45, we have an announcement. FOMC Bowman speaks. They were due, I don't know, I think it was yesterday, they were going to have mortgage delinquency rate. So this is something, hey, look, we're just starting to have higher than normal mortgage delinquencies. When was the last time this happened? Okay, well, 2020, that was when people got laid off. Also, the Challenger job cuts was up. And so that's in relation to that, right? The job cuts really happened in March. Actually, I think in May. So that's when the mortgage delinquencies started to really spike. And then as the economy opened up, jobs were reopened, people's incomes were coming back in, it dropped down. Also, people were allowed to not pay their mortgages. Remember, there was a mortgage moratorium for 18 months. So now we're starting to see, hey, that mortgage moratorium is done and these are going back up. So are we in this cycle again? Potentially, right? All right, let's go back to today, take that photo. So here are the announcements for the day. Important to know when the announcements will happen. For volatility, Chattanooga. Terry, I'm so ready to move to the south again, right? All right, so let's flip it over. Let's look at the moving stocks for the morning. All right, so first one here. I wonder if I can zoom in on this. Can you see that okay, guys? I wonder if I could zoom in. Let's see. No, that's not it. Let's see. Settings, automatic. All right. No, can't zoom in. Just gonna see if I can make it larger for you guys. All right, number one on the moving up list pre-market momentum to the long side is DraftKings, then Zim integrated shipping. I'm looking at percentage change, not volume. I want to sort this by volume here. Mara, put Mara on here second. Bitcoin, DoorDash, AMC is moving up, Roku, and Zim. All right, to the downside, Tesla's pulling back from that 200 level. Amazon, Apple, looking for Apple to really hold 151. Nvidia and Shop is pulling back. That's another big one that just had earnings yesterday, or announced the earnings yesterday, right? All right. Come here. So if you are new to joining us, please hit the like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I do the list 8:15 every morning for my members, not just one Friday a month. And if you want to learn more about the dark pools, come on over to the training pit and check out, or come on over to thedarkpools.com and check out the training pit. So while we're building this list, I'm going to teach you about this little indicator as well, which I absolutely love. Thank you, Terry. You can do the peekaboo. Yes, Tesla's on the list. I know you love Tesla. Tesla has made it on the list today. Okay, so we're going to come over here, and anyone besides Brenda, can you tell me what this is on the right? What do you think it is? Right? Well, this is the visible volume profile. So how I utilize this is where the biggest volume has been traded pre-market. Higher probability trades are above or below, right? Above or below that price. And so what we want to do is we want to set ourselves up for higher probability trades. And so that's what I do every morning. I map out trading plan for the day. So what's our higher probability trade? Likely above 450. If we have already, we're testing, no, if we go below over here, if we go below 414.18, I'm going to drop it down to 414.12, excuse me, 44.12. If we go below that, nice potential move, 42 cents down here, 43.70. If we go to the bigger picture, where is that point of control on the big picture? Yes. Hide. You know what? Let me see if I can do this and this. Oh, hold on 2 seconds. I'm just going to give you guys, cancel that, scratch that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to give you guys the link for if you want to head on over there, and I'm going to turn off this and this. Actually, it should be in the chat below. No biggie for if you guys want to utilize that. Okay, so it looks like our point of control hanging down here, 42.45. No, turned off. There we go. 36.27. Not sure why this is here. That was a former point of control. Okay, undo. That's where it is. 42.45. This is the 42.45. That's what I wanted to delete. There we go. So 36.42. Right there. So are we above it? Yes. Are we below on the shorter term? Yes. Good morning, Roger. How's everything in Arizona? You doing well today? Now I also put the float so that I know how quickly it's going to move or not. All right, let's check out NVIDIA. NVIDIA seems to have topped out. You can see here on the daily chart, it looks like we sort of have this area of consolidation or disbursement. We will see shortly in the future. I would pull that down on the bigger picture down to 209.70 or up above 228. Now on the shorter term, let's look and see. $217.20. You don't leave your place anymore. Okay. Sounds good. Too busy watching the stock market. And we'll put it 216. This area right here, the parameters are set up that 70% of the volume will be in bold. So the other 30% negligible amount is down here. So below 216 or above 217.20. big picture. And good morning to everyone that's just joining. All right, so big picture. Hey, look, right when we broke out from that trend. Coincidence? Let's check out Apple. Apple's pulling back just below those averages, or a drive here, I should say. All right, so for today, if we go above 152.50, potential to close the gap to yesterday's close. If we go below 151.92, likely a continued move to the downside for day trade. Now these are day trade levels that I'm looking at, not swing trades. I would look at that on the bigger picture of, I would do swing trades on the bigger picture, daily, even weekly. Right, so we came up, we're testing this trend line. We have just broken this. We were at the apex yesterday. The market is red this morning because they sold yesterday. Roger. Maybe they are taking it down to buy more. Maybe they are done selling. We shall see, right? When we go below, bigger money was selling. We go above, bigger money was buying. They're in control, right? Here we are testing a 33 exponential moving average on Amazon. Small doji day at the moment. Are we going to move up from here? We're testing that point of control, 97.21 on the daily. Let's check it out on the intraday here. Looks like they want to 97.20 or 97.80. Point of control is hanging out up here, so maybe buying, and maybe selling. I'd watch that 97.50 area. If it went below there, 20 cents potentially down here. Wyckoff cycle, you know, it's big money cycle. That's what I call it, the big money cycle. That would be a good name for a book, Big Money Cycle. Today is the third week, that is correct. Good reminder, Brenda. Might see higher than normal volume. Let's also go over here. Let's look at Max Payne SPY. So that'll tell us where they might want to take it today. Really? No, it's not. It's really slow. What's going on? There we go. It's really slow. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's going on. All right, we'll come back. We'll wait for that to load. Yeah, big money cycle. Of course. Of course it's the big money cycle. Okay, 97.20 and 97.80. 898.96 billion. Here you go, Tesla Terry. Tesla Terry. That's your new nickname, Tesla Terry. All right, point of control has popped up to 194.79 up here, 194.56. So watch that bigger picture. We are hanging out just below the moving averages. Is this our round top sell-off? I would look for confirmation below 190 there. If we break below 190, potential down to 172.50, and then down to 129. I like it at 60. I'm kicking myself for not getting in. I was just learning about this volume profile right as it was at 120. And now I totally 100% trust it. You gotta trust your trading tools like an instrument rated pilot, which I am, not current, but instrument rated, that you have to trust your instruments, right? If you don't trust your instruments, you're SOL. And you have to know how to fly the plane too. I know somebody else that could be listening, but it's bad when maybe commercial airline pilots can't fly a plane when it's clean configuration, clean weather, everything. All right, so big picture 122. See, kicking myself. 80 points are left on the table. It's okay. That made me truly trust the tool. Here, quick. I'm just going to enter some stuff here really quickly. All right, let's do Zim. Yeah, I know, Terry. I know you are a Tesla fan. All right, so Zim is shipping, right? We've had lots of shipping things going on lately. Trucks in the US. We've had, this looks like it's setting up for a cup and handle. It looks like it just broke out. Do you guys see that? Right? So if we utilize this as a cup and handle, rough projected target, from down here up to here, 620. So if we use this as a breakout, we'll call it right around here, 620, rough target of 28. Not bad, 28%, right? Good morning, Troy. Yeah, isn't that amazing? I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you guys are just joining, come and check me out every morning with my watch list. Troy is a longtime subscriber, right, Troy? What words can you impart to people that might be thinking about joining? Brenda as well, Roger, we hang out, we help each other. Little tips throughout the day. In fact, I'm going to post a website later on the description section of this video, all about detox. I have decided I'm going to go through this year. I'm getting my body clean, so I'm going to do heavy metal detox, going to do a liver cleanse, and go from there to get my body as clean as possible. Seeing all this. Okay, so for today, for Roku, big pop, 72.50 or below 71.50. Below 71.50, potential to close as the target, right? Had bigger sell volume. They bought. Maybe they're going to take it up here if we go above 72.50 up to 73.30. If we break that, up to 74. Earnings were yesterday, post-market. 71.50, 72.50. You know, I think we all somewhat need detox, right? I know I was not always nice in what I fed my body, and unfortunately we are what we eat, right? And drink, and or smoke, and or put on our body with sunscreens and lotions and makeup. And just because there's shimmery makeup that looks so nice, is that really amazing for our bodies? Probably the chemicals that I use to change my hair color. No. Probably part of the reason why I should maybe clean up. It's all good. All we can do is, yeah, Roger. Roger knows. Don't second guess, right? Trust them. They work. All right, so it looks like yesterday's big level, 67 there. Marlboro days are over. All right. Way to go, Roger. All right, so 69, go below 69, or really, I would say up above 71 over here for Dash. Come to yesterday's volume, it was down at 67. They took it all the way up here. So if we go above 71, maybe it'll head back up to 77, right? Bigger picture is below us. And what is totally awesome too about that Troy is the volume profile changes in real time. So it will show you, hey, big volume has just been traded, maybe up at the top, maybe at the bottom. Looks like it's going to move or it's going to reverse. So cool. If it's had a major run and then all of a sudden it flips like up here and now we're hanging out down below. All right, well, if we close up above 752, maybe Bitcoin's going to run again. Maybe it's going to run away with this going all the way up to 10. Maybe it's going to come back down again. We're bouncing off of the 33 exponential on the daily. All right, 706, and I'm going to put it up here at 740 because of the 200 exponential right there. So a little bit outside. Not, if you wanted to be more aggressive, you could go right here at 730. That's where they really sold before, so you could have a little short squeeze, but it might just be 10-cent pop, so probably better above 740 or below 7. You know what, Terry, I will see. I don't know if they have it. It might just be called volume histogram. Sometimes it's called the volume histogram, but what I like is it shows you the path on this one. And this one on TradingView, you can try it for free. So, oh, you know what? Let me go here. If I sign into chat, open a web browser, let me bring it down here. No, oh, here we go. So max pain today is 405. We're at 406, so maybe they're gonna hang it out and end the day around 405. So that's going to be $1.20 from where we are right now, right? All right, let's go here. I will share. I'll share the link. If you sign up, you can try it for free. If you sign up, then you get up to $30 free, right? Roger, I don't think that you do. It's an amazing indicator, Terry. I love it. Love it. It's showing you where the big money is trading in real time. Like, how can you can't, I don't care about short, I care about short interest, but this is the fastest way you can see where the money is being traded. Like, how can you beat real time? Can't. All right, so DraftKings is earnings as well. Let's turn it back on. You could pay for that, or you could also come and join me in the mornings, right? And we could go over it live and I could do the work for you and you could practice. All right, so 1860 and 20. $3.78. All right, looks like they might be testing it up here. Maybe they're going to bring it all the way up to $21.45. So maybe another $2 to the upside there, but it is quite overextended, far away from the moving averages. So maybe it is going to all right, let's look at the indexes. So I have my halt level here. I put this on my chart so that I know, hey, if we're getting close, I need to potentially take profit, right? Because otherwise they're going to halt the market. Dow is down today. Let's put it up over here with the 24-hour on our left. And I'll turn this on, show us what's going on with the volume, right? Okay, so for today, Dow usually does not have a lot of pre-market volume. Below 320 or above, excuse me, 335.20 or above 335.80. Now when we back it out to include yesterday, definitely the close had big volume. So we came down, close, but look, more volume showing potentially that they sold. So in my opinion, right now, I am more biased to the short side because I see that maybe they are posting volume this morning from yesterday's trading. Or maybe it's just that's the biggest volume. So we shall see, right? All right, let's do the Russell. Do the Russell. All right, 179.12, 295. That's just the columns over here. And so we're still testing that 191.12 level that I set up yesterday, but this, let's bring it lower down here. So from yesterday, 192.80 would be good, but let's see where we are today. We could tighten that up. So we could 192.50, 192.12. And then there's possibility to come up here, 192.38, 192.50. Never, Roger, never. Wink, wink. All right, let's check out the Qs. Qs. Oh, are they going to take it up here? 303.53. Are they going there? Are they going to take us there? Or is that late from yesterday? Right? Let's go 301.50. Then potentially up here to 302.80. Qs 350. Let's back it out for 2 days. What do we see? Oh, look, big volume up there. All right, and here we go. Let's pull this down. So this is yesterday. We're showing close. That's no surprise, right? 408.35. So we'll just put up here 408.50. Oh, look, did it really trade up here at close this morning? 406.20. Or 405.20. Seems like they're using a dollar wide range pre-market. All right, and so that's it. I wanted to also give you guys this. I will give you copy. This is my layout. You guys can open it up and save it in your trading view if you want. It is on the SPY. It has all my drawings. It has all my annotations, or at least it should. And then you can save it if you like any of my any of my indicators. You can keep them. You can take them off. Whatever you want to do. All right. Any other ones that you would like to check out? Let me just update my website quick. Upload everything. I do need to take a picture of the list. Check it out. Save it. And see how it performs for you today. If it goes above the resistance level or below the support level, check out the trades. Remember that the premiums on the options of the bold ones are going to decay more quickly today because it is earnings. So that is a premium melt day when it's earnings. And if you prefer and you want to join my watch list hard copy, you don't have time to watch every morning, you can come on over to cjanetrade.com, check out the store, and subscribe to my watch list. I'm also going to be making some quick videos, just some updated ones, just to learn. I'll probably do one in particular about the volume profile right here, so you guys understand exactly how to utilize it. Quick 5-minute video, or not 5 minutes, but quick video, and probably just like $5 for the education, so everyone will understand the best way to utilize that information. All right, have an amazing trading day. Any other stocks you guys want to check out for today? Let me upload these, and one more I need to upload. What are my settings for scans? I have volume over 100,000 and moving up. And then I have the what am I trying to say? The float and the percentage movement, all that good stuff. Yeah. Got it. Thank you, Brenda. All right. So just updating the website as we talk. That is done by 9 a.m. Barring that there's no issues with the internet, my computer, the website, or my kiddos, right? Family first. That's why I got into this. Sometimes I have to take care of them if they're sick as well. The freedom of being a trader. All right. All right, website is updated. Any other questions? Let's look quick over here. Let's make this a daily chart. Charge more. For what, Roger? Very rarely have I ever heard somebody say charge more. All right, so the dollar is moving up, looking for it to test up here, likely. Let's see what it's on the 3-day. I like the 3-day chart. Okay, maybe it's gonna get stuck at 104.83 and then we're going to reverse down. If this really moves up, likely we will see that the market will move down. As the dollar moves up, it tends to be bad for the market sometimes, and it will move to the downside. It is affecting commodities. Gold has pulled back, broke below the 1844 level. Let's see if we're able to hold that, which is a big picture point of control. If it comes back down, 1794, 1800. Silver has pulled back, definitely. Quite a discount here, testing the top of the W at the bottom. Okay, SPY just went up above. And oil. Oil is trading sideways, but our moving average is coming down. And natural gas is down below that point of control. Let's check UNG. UNG is down at 806. All right, it's at my, let me see, let's test this limit here. Are we going to drop below or are we going to move above? All right, thank you all for joining me this morning. Hope to see you every morning, bright and early, 8:15 for my watch list creations. Lots of great tips outside of just trading as well. Have an amazing